To completely delete an eSIM from an iPhone for any reason, like adding a new eSIM or moving your eSIM to another phone, follow these steps. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap on Cellular, Mobile, or Cellular Services. Now, scroll a little and look for SIMs. Here, my iPhone has one physical SIM and one eSIM, so both are showing. To remove the eSIM, tap on it and scroll to the last option. Tap Delete eSIM. This eSIM will be removed, and the phone number will no longer be linked to this iPhone. However, the cellular plan itself will not be cancelled. You'll need to contact your carrier if you want to cancel the plan later. For transferring an eSIM from one iPhone to another, check my separate tutorial linked in the description. In the second case, if your iPhone has only one eSIM installed, you'll see the Delete eSIM option directly. Just tap Delete eSIM, and that's it. In the third case, if no eSIM is installed but it's still showing, you can delete it using the Reset option. Go to Settings and tap on General. Again, scroll to the bottom and tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. Select Reset. Then choose Delete all eSIM. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for new updates on free tech guide videos.